Welcome to Suky private restaurant, a place where the taste meet elegancy. Here every dish is a work of art, and every moment is unforgettable experience. We believe that delicious food starts with high quality ingredients. We are only fresh local ingredients, ensuring the period is not only appetizing but also support local farmer and producer. From tempting appetizer to sweet dessert as menu to thoughtfully designed, we combine traditional recipes with modern twists, creating a unique and satisfying culinary experience. Our ministry is a reflection is our philosophy. We don't just serve food, we create experiences or where trained staff are ready to provide the best service, ensuring that every guest feel specialist and cared for. Suky private restaurant is not just a place to eat. Is a space a gather, share stories and creative memories. We welcome you the celebrated special moment, whether a birthday, a wedding, or just a romantic dinner. Every dish we serve and result dedication and expertise or chef experience a previous started restaurant process is integrated with love and care, creating an unfathomable taste. Let's listen to our guests have to say. They come from variety of background, but I agree. Experience at Suky is something not the missed when night for. Suky turned into romantic and intimate place with lighting a warm atmosphere. Our restaurant the perfect place to enjoy an comfortable dinner. So what you waiting? Join us Suky private and experience yourself culinary wonder we have to offer. Follow on social media for more information and special offer. See you at our dinner table.